Hello and welcome back again. Today in this video we are going to edit this photo that I have taken recently on my Realme 7 Pro with Gcam. So it is a RAW file. I always shoot RAW plus JPEG and I delete most of the JPEG files. So if I have to send it to someone, I keep them, otherwise I delete. I only keep RAW files and I edit them. I don't delete them because if I have to make some changes again in future and post it again somewhere else, I have to find it again. So let's jump in this video. It's a RAW file shot on with Realme 7 Pro. So this is a place in Kolhapur actually, and I went with one of my friend. So it is currently raining and it is this jungle, a hill. It's basically a hill, fort hill. It's covered with fog. So let's start with the contrast. Reduce the contrast, decrease the highlights. Nothing in highlights actually. Increase the shadows, increase the whites and decrease the blacks. In case of vibrance, I increase it all the way to see what's going on in the picture. So you can see the magenta tint. I like to get rid of it. Otherwise you can change the hue to blue and reduce the saturation. Also in blue, transfer this blue shift to the violet side and then again reduce the saturation. Also I don't like I keep the difference between blues, greens and yellows, so I differentiate between these sliders. In case of greens, I want to light up the greens and shift the yellows to somewhat like orange. So this is how it looks. I think green is not green enough. Okay. Saturation to -20 or 19. Okay, let's bring back the vibrance to 50. Now it looks good. Let's first fix the clarity, and in this one I would add the clarity through the masks. So let's not add it here. Increase the texture all the way because there are details are hidden by the fog. Sharpening a little bit, masking a little bit, and then let's go to our favorite part, which is not HSL, it's color grading. It's the favorite part of my editing process. Okay, saturation to plus 30, and hue to 210. Okay, let's add some it is not effective because there is a blue tint all over the photo right now. We can fix that with and by using balance slider you can always go back and forth between the tint. that has applied to midtones or shadows or highlights. You can also apply a global layer simply to see what looks best. I don't think it's useful here, so let's skip it. Let's go to tone curves. Let's see we can make if we can make any adjustments. So let's make an S curve that adds the contrast in the picture. And so adjust these points. I think this one looks amazing. Before and after. Only thing missing is the vignette and clarity, of course. We will apply that through the masking settings. So let's start with masking. I'm gonna add a vignette layer first at the bottom. This one is fine. Let's add another one at the top. So let's make it I'm going to increase the saturation because it will look amazing. Okay, that looks amazing. And I'm gonna add another one to change the hue of this particular section of this picture. So I can duplicate this, add it one more here, another one will be here, okay, another one will be here. So I copied that previous one. So if you copy the previous mask and make changes to it, it applies to all the masks that you have copied. So you have to individually create masks. That's a new thing I have learned through my mistakes. Okay, this one looks pretty much amazing. That is the power of masking tools. So make them smaller, because if you make them large they will be visible on other parts of the picture. You don't want that. So here, I think I need here. Let's drop this. It's fine. Okay, before and after. I think greens are too much saturated. Let's reduce them and bring them back. And reds, let's take the reds too. Okay, this one is fine. Let's add the clarity gradient. That is the best part of this picture. That will be the best part of this picture. You can make a copy of it and add it here as well. You can add a saturation, and now you can control all of it like that. Okay. So we'll add some okay, this one looks just amazing. I think we need to crop this a little bit to get rid of this side. Before and after. So this one looks just fine. What we can do here again is play with the tone curve. There are 1,000 ways we can edit the photo by going back and forth through all these modules, and they will be all amazing. You have to keep doing it, and you will find something better in the end. This is too much saturated. Let me just reduce a little bit. Okay, and what we can do here is this is before and this is after. Sorry. Okay, this one. You can still play with shadows and highlight sliders to see which one looks better, and compensate that shadow adjustment with the tone curve, of course. Okay, that's it for today. Let's make it more warm or cool, like that. Okay, I love this one. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Hope you learn from this video. So pay attention to all this adjustments I have done, and you can follow the same techniques in your editing workflow. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.